Back the clock without going under the knife or having a lot of downtime. Dr. Max Adler of the PARKCITIES Dermatology has all the skinny on a safe and effective way to rebuild your own collagen. Now, Dr. Adler, tell me, why is collagen important? What happens to our collagen that we need to rebuild it when we age?
Well, as we age, we lose certain things, especially in the face. And you're going to lose some bony structure, for example, in the upper jaw and in the lower jaw. The skin is going to get thinner, and the collagen is going to get thinner, and fatty tissue is lost as well, especially in these areas of the face and in what we call the nasolabial folds.
There we've got a picture. You can kind of see it over time, the progression of what's happened there. And that's just a breakdown in collagen?
It's a breakdown in collagen, but we also lose the structure and function of the skin. The elasticity is gone as well. And in the past, plastic surgeons, for example, would do redraping procedures where they would pull the skin tighter, but it really didn't do anything to rebuild the skin. Now we have agents that will help stimulate collagen and filler agents that will help fill in fine lines and wrinkles as well.
Well, now that's what we're talking about today. One of those agents is Sculptura. Tell me exactly what this process involves.
Well, Sculptura is a product that's been available in Europe now for a number of years, and it's just been FDA approved for cosmetic use in the United States. It's poly-L-lactic acid, and depending on what level in the skin that we place it, we can reproduce a lot of the old collagen appearance that we had when we were younger. For example, in the temple areas where we tend to get that dished appearance over a period of time, that can be built back up. The nasolabial folds can be built back up. Where we lose tissue under the eyes, that can be built back up.
Now, this is not a collagen injection, which you hear about. This is an actual agent that helps regrow your collagen naturally.
Exactly. It helps stimulate collagen growth. So you're growing your own collagen. And the good thing about this is that we're seeing a number of injections are needed. You do the first month, preferably second month about a month later. You do a third injection about a month later. And typically those results are then going to last for a good 24 to 25 months.
Months, yeah, that's the thing. Once you go through an entire process, that was the thing that amazed me with the material that you sent. You're good for 2 years. You're going to see the effects and benefits, and they actually will continue to get better over that time period.
That's true. That's the average, and I think that people are going to still lose collagen over a period of time. They're going to need some maintenance injections. But to me, this is really an improvement over some of the other agents that we have that we can use.
Now, this is not just something that you could go to an esthetician, or this is a medical procedure. They're really limiting who is certified to use this.
Correct. Sculptura is not as simple to use as some of the other agents that are out there. They're very careful. The company is very careful to teach us literally one-on-one how to use this agent to get the best results possible for our patients.
Now, is this expensive? You mentioned it's fast in terms of the recovery time is pretty quick. Is this an expensive procedure?
Well, a vial of this is going to be diluted up to about 8 or 9 cc's. You can cover a lot of ground with that on a facial rejuvenation procedure. And that vial is going to run around $800 or so. It's cheaper now than we have had in the past because it is available for cosmetic use in the United States.
Well, we've got some before and after pictures if they want to see, so folks can see what the effects of this are. This is a before and after, and yeah, you can see it's tightened it up around the chin. Where was this probably applied?
Well, in this particular one, nasolabial fold area, also a little bit in the temples. If you notice it a little bit rounder in the temple, more of the triangle that we have when we are younger. And then as we get older, that triangle goes down on the face, and we're trying to reproduce it so that it's upwards in the face.
Well, if that sounds like something you would like to find out more about, you can find out more by visiting PARKCITIES Dermatology's office. They're right on Douglas Avenue in Dallas. You can call 214-692-7447 or log on to DallasCosmeticCenter.com. Up next,